Hey friends, today we're going to draw My Melody.
Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end, and I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our black marker to draw with and our alcohol-based markers to color with, but you can use whatever you have.
Like crayons or colored pencils.
Yeah, all right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's start by drawing her nose in the middle of our paper, and we can draw a really small oval. Then we're gonna draw her eye. Over here, we're gonna draw an oval going this way, and we'll leave a little space and draw the same size oval on the right side. And it's okay if they're a little off. We're gonna color these in solid too. So this part will fast forward, but remember to pause the video for extra time. Then let's draw her mouth, and we're gonna draw a curve underneath her nose, and then we can draw another curve for her open mouth. Yeah, okay, now we're ready to draw the shape of her face. We're gonna start over here, and we're gonna draw a curve that comes under, and then across, and then we're gonna draw a curving over here for her other cheek. Good job. Then we're gonna draw the top of her head. We're gonna draw curving over and connecting to the other side. Now let's draw her hat, and I think it's a hat, and her ears, her little bunny ears. Then we're gonna draw it curving out from the bottom on both sides to match. Ooh, we're gonna run out of room up here for big ears. I think we'll be okay. Yeah. And then matching on the other side. And then, then we're gonna draw her little flower over here too. So let's draw an oval shape. We're gonna draw, kind of looks just like her nose. It looks like the same oval, and it's even the same color. Then we're gonna draw the flower petals that go around. We can start by drawing a sideways letter U, and then let's draw a backwards letter U over here so that we get the right amount of petals. Let's draw this getting closer to the center so it's not too far away. Then we're gonna draw the top like this, and then we're gonna draw two petals down here for the bottom. Yeah, there we go. And then we can connect the side into the flower. Okay, now let's draw her first ear. We're gonna draw it curving up, and then we're gonna draw it bending down, and it's going all the way to the center of her face, or right in line with the center. And then we're gonna curve back around, and I drew a little bumpy because I picked up my marker, but you can smooth it out. We'll make the lines a little thicker. Then right here, this side, we're gonna draw it curving up so that it's closer to the ear here. And then we're gonna draw the other ear curving up, and then we're gonna come back down and then connect. Yes, there it is. I like it. And I especially love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. They're both turning out awesome. And that's because the most important thing is
to have fun.
Yeah, and to
practice.
Practice. Remember to have fun and practice. Okay, let's keep going.
Yes.
Now let's draw her body and also her little collar. So right here next to her mouth, we're going to draw a short diagonal line down. And then over here, we could draw another line down. Yes, and then this is going to come all the way over here, and then another diagonal line back into her head, and then on this side, it's shorter. So we're not going to draw as far across, and then we'll draw it connecting. Yeah, okay, now let's draw our arms. We're going to draw one arm coming out this way, and then another arm coming out this way. This could be shorter too. Okay, then we're going to leave a little space right here, and we can add a guide point. And then let's leave that same space over here for the other wrist. Okay, and then we can draw the bottom of her arm coming in, and we can do the same thing over here. And then we'll draw a little curve coming around for her hand on both sides to match. Then on this hand, you can see her little thumb, so we'll draw an upside down U inside. This one, her hand's turned away so you can't see the thumb. Now let's draw her body. We're gonna draw her back. We will draw it coming down like this and then curving back in. And on this side, we'll draw her little belly curving in like that. So I drew it more straight down and then curved in at the bottom. Yeah. Then let's draw her first leg. So we'll curve back, straight down. Then right here, we're going to draw it curving around, and we're going to kind of simplify this too, and we'll just curve back for her toes. And then a little line curving for her leg, and then we'll match that same little curve right here for her other leg. And then let's match this curve for her other foot, and then connect it in. What's she missing?
Her tail.
Yeah, her little tail. We're going to draw a curve right here for her tail. Good job. Now we still have one last thing to do.
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can take time to color your drawings too. What color do we need?
Pink and yellow.
Yeah. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring my Melody, and she turned out awesome.
Yeah, I really like the thicker lines too.
Yeah, I like how that looks too. Now, our friends, you guys can pause the video to match our same coloring. We just used a really bright pink for the hat, and then a bright yellow for the nose and flower, and then a lighter pink for the mouth.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing My Melody.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!